Hey there, nature lovers! Did you know sea otters hold hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart? Yep, these adorable marine mammals have a unique way of staying connected even in their slumber. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of sea otters. These playful creatures are not just cute faces, they have some incredible behaviors and adaptations that make them truly special. However, life is not all smooth sailing for sea otters. They face numerous challenges, including habitat loss due to human activities and the devastating effects of oil spills in their marine environment. These threats put their survival at risk, making it crucial for us to understand and protect these amazing animals. Now let's dive into 21 facts about sea otters that will leave you in awe. From their unique grooming habits to their remarkable tool usage, these marine mammals are full of surprises. Did you know that sea otters are among the few animals that use tools like rocks to crack open shellfish for their meals? Talk about intelligent eaters. 21. Sea otters belong to the Mustelidae family, notable for including diverse animals such as weasels, ferrets, badgers, and minks. This family is characterized by small to medium-sized carnivores that are often elongated and have short legs. Sea otters are unique within this group as the only members fully adapted to a marine lifestyle. They share common evolutionary traits with other mustelids, like strong, compact bodies and a high degree of intelligence, which helps them in tool use and social interactions. 20. Sea otters are larger, have more rounded faces, and spend almost their entire life in the ocean, unlike river otters, which can live in both freshwater and marine environments. 19. The sea otter species, Enhydra lutris, is divided into 3 geographically distinct subspecies. The southern sea otter, Enhydra lutris nereus, also known as the California sea otter, inhabits the kelp forest ecosystems along California's coast, ranging from San Mateo County in the north to near Santa Barbara County in the south. This smaller subspecies is crucial for maintaining the health of these ecosystems. In contrast, the northern sea otter, Enhydra lutris kenyoni, lives in the colder North Pacific waters off the coasts of Alaska and Washington, adapting to rocky coastlines and is generally larger. The third subspecies, Enhydra lutris lutris, or the Russian sea otter, is found in the Pacific Ocean off the coasts of Russia and Japan. A significant physical difference between these subspecies is their size. For instance, female southern sea otters weigh up to 50 pounds, while their northern counterparts can weigh up to 70 pounds. Male southern sea otters can reach up to 70 pounds, whereas northern males can grow up to 100 pounds. 18. Sea otters spend a significant portion of their day grooming to maintain the insulative properties of their fur. Grooming keeps their fur clean and buoyant, and reinforces social bonds within groups. 17. But wait, here's the kicker. Sea otters have a special pocket in their armpits to store their favorite rocks. Yes, you heard that right. These rocks are used as tools for opening shellfish, and sea otters take them with them wherever they go. Now, that's some serious dedication to their craft. 16. Sea otters are one of the few non-primate species known to use tools. They commonly use rocks to break open hard-shelled prey like clams and abalone. This behavior is not just about strength. It involves problem-solving skills and an ability to manipulate objects with precision. Tool use significantly widens the range of available food sources, allowing them access to high-energy nutrients necessary for survival in their cold water habitats. 15. And here's a fun fact. Sea otter fur is among the densest of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. This incredible density provides a crucial adaptation to the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean, where they live. The fur traps a layer of air next to their skin, which acts as an insulative barrier against the cold water, helping to maintain their body temperature. 14. Sea otters have a varied diet primarily consisting of marine invertebrates such as sea urchins, crustaceans, mollusks, and occasionally fish. Their role in controlling sea urchin populations is vital, as unchecked populations can decimate kelp forests. These crucial marine ecosystems provide food and shelter for a diverse range of species. By maintaining healthy kelp forests, sea otters support the biodiversity of their habitat. 13. Otters possess a lung capacity that is 2.5 times greater than land mammals of comparable size, allowing them remarkable underwater endurance. Sea otters can stay submerged for over 5 minutes, while river otters can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes. This capability greatly enhances their ability to detect and forage for food on the sea floor. To effectively catch their prey, sea otters have adapted to hold their breath for extended periods. In the Aleutians, Alaska sea otters commonly dive to depths of 40 meters, 131 feet, or more. In contrast, California sea otters typically forage in shallower waters, seldom going deeper than 20 meters, 66 feet. Sea otters generally stay underwater between 52 to 90 seconds, although the longest recorded dive was 4 minutes and 25 seconds, likely in response to a threat. The deepest confirmed dive reached 97 meters, 318 feet. 12. Sea otters have a distinct ability to float and are frequently seen floating on their backs, a behavior that serves multiple purposes. It allows them to rest, handle their prey, and eat, all while remaining vigilant of their surroundings. This ability to float so effectively is due to their distinct fur and the distribution of fat within their bodies, which increases their buoyancy. Additionally, sea otters are highly social creatures and are often found resting together in groups known as rafts. These rafts can range from a few dozen to over 100 individuals and are vital for their survival, providing safety in numbers against predators. Furthermore, these gatherings foster social interactions and are crucial for the communal rearing of pups among females. 11. Although sea otters can forage at any time, they often prefer the cover of night to avoid predators and competition. They use their highly sensitive whiskers to detect prey movements in the dark waters. 10. The sea otter is listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, primarily due to historical overhunting for its fur. Today they face threats from oil spills, fishing net entanglements, and habitat degradation. Sea otters are particularly vulnerable to oil spills because they use fur for insulation. Oil contamination can reduce the insulative quality of their fur, leading to hypothermia or poisoning if ingested during grooming. Conservation efforts are crucial to their survival and recovery. Protection under various environmental laws and reintroduction programs have helped stabilize and grow certain sea otter populations. However, their recovery is uneven, and some populations are still at risk. 9. Sea otters rely on their thick, tactile whiskers to navigate and locate prey in the murky waters of the Pacific Ocean. These whiskers are highly sensitive to changes in water currents and vibrations, which signal the presence of prey. 8. While juvenile sea otters are vulnerable to aerial predators like bald eagles, adult sea otters' primary threats are aquatic predators such as sharks and killer whales. These predators influence sea otter behavior and distribution, as otters may avoid certain areas or adapt their foraging strategies based on predator presence. 7. Sea otters' lifespans vary, with males typically living up to 10, 15 years, and females up to 20 years. This difference is partly due to the stress males experience, due to competition over territories and mates. 6. Intense hunting during the fur trade era in the 18th and 19th centuries nearly led to the extinction of sea otters. Their luxurious fur, highly coveted for its warmth and texture, was a significant driver of this overexploitation. 5. Sea otters have a higher metabolism than most mammals, which supports their need to maintain body heat in cold water. This high metabolic rate requires them to eat substantial amounts of food daily. 4. Sea otter mating involves complex social interactions and can be physically intense. Males often exhibit aggressive behaviors that can cause injuries to females. Successful mating requires precise coordination and cooperation between the male and female. 3. Sea otters are known for their demanding and intricate reproductive behaviors. Due to a phenomenon called delayed implantation, females typically give birth to one pup after a gestation period, that can vary from 4 to 12 months. The energetic cost of rearing a pup is high. Mothers invest significantly in their offspring, teaching them to swim and hunt, which is crucial for the species' survival. 2. Sea otters have a charming and practical sleeping habit. They often hold hands while floating on their backs, a behavior known as rafting. This keeps them from drifting apart and helps maintain group cohesion while they rest on the water's surface. Additionally, to anchor themselves and prevent drifting with the currents while they sleep, sea otters sometimes wrap themselves in kelp. This behavior not only ensures they stay in their preferred feeding areas, but also adds an extra layer of protection from potential predators. 1. In many indigenous cultures along the Pacific coast, sea otters were traditionally revered and featured prominently in myths, art, and rituals. Their fur was used for ceremonial clothing, and their presence in traditional territories was a sign of a healthy ecosystem. If you've enjoyed learning about sea otters as much as we have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating nature content. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite sea otter facts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.